we got a game plan.
Let's go!
Every Wednesday, it's an all-out blitz with slime lines of the biggest NFL plays.
Let's do it.
Then we hit 'em hard with slime and more slime. And finally, we tush-push our way into the end zone and crown an MVP.
Appreciate you guys.
Slime time on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go!
It's NFL Slime Time, tonight at 5 on Nickelodeon.